Okay, everybody, it's your old buddy Squatchmann. We're headed back. We went to the Bulldozer area. Thank God it's not that bad. But I am deeper than I ever have been. I have never been back here before. So, the Bulldozed area is over there. There's a house right there, so looks like they were bulldozing those people's backyard. So I'm gonna try to walk a little fast. I'm really uncomfortable because I think I saw 2 coyotes in there, and I don't want them things to coming up behind me, packing up on me. So got some cool videos, lots of new stick stuff, lots of new stick art, squatch art. See the clearing? That's where they bulldozed. And what I saw, them 2 coyotes, I believe they were back in there. So old Wade Squatchmann ain't hanging around, no wild coyotes. Because if they want to, they will mess with you. And I don't have nothing on me. I have a pair of keys and a chapstick. So there's the bulldozed area. So look at all this. All right, we're getting ready to head through there. We're headed back home. I believe that's a trail. Goes that way. I'm gonna quit pointing because I keep on, when I'm making my videos, when I put them on here, yeah, I believe that's a trail. When I put them on here, my hands are coming up on my pictures and I don't want to keep on having pictures in my hand. So, but ooh, let me tell you something. Ooh, spider web, look at this, y'all. Goes up, goes down, dark in here. Looks like a big boy did that. A big one. That's a strong being to do that. Now, I did hear something when I was coming back in here, so look at that. It's broke. It's not even, you don't even see where it came from. It's broken and it's laid up in there. I'm gonna go get a good video of that while I'm back in here. Hanging up there, then you got an arch above it. So they're running around back in here. So. Spider webs everywhere. All right, I'm trying to figure out how to get through here because it's thick. All right, stick structure stuff everywhere. I think I know where I'm gonna go. Goes up, goes down, snap, crackle, pop right there. Oh, I know where I'm at. I know where I'm at. I know I'm headed out of here. Mm. 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 Broken, set there. Look at this, I'm amazed. Mm. Okay. Okay. We're doing good, y'all. So far, so good. Oh, Lord have mercy. Goes up, goes down. All right, let's maneuver out of here without getting chiggers. Got spider webs hanging off of me. Got to bend down through these trees. Oh, Lord have mercy, it's thick back in here. All right. I got to step over this, y'all. Laid out, laid down, laid there. Look at this. Look at this tree here. Balanced, laid there. Look at that, laid there. All right, we're headed through here. I am in some thick stuff. Trying to maneuver out of here. Lord have mercy. I got to get down to where it's not thick. I can't move fast if I had a skink. Look at him laying there. Ain't that cool? Laying out in the open. All right. Well, at least to come to find out that the bulldozed area is behind somebody's house, so they must be getting ready to build another house. But still, they did it in the land of the big people. Lord have mercy. What an adventure. Three videos. This is the third. I'm back here in the thick. Never been back here before. Wasn't it cool? All that squatch activity, stick structures, what they do. Let me keep an eye on it behind me because I believe those were coyotes. Oh, Lord have mercy. That was the closest I've ever seen to coyotes, and they ran. They ran from me, but they could change. And I'm not going to find out. I don't want to find out. I don't have anything on me to protect myself. All I could do is yell. A whoop. Whoop. All right, let's head out of here. We're coming up to the area where the underground dwellers go down in. I call it a cave. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're gonna head to part 4 as I head back. Keep on squatching, keep on rocking in the free world. I'll talk to y'all in a minute. We are out.